Hi everyone, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So, Christmas is coming close. I can't believe how close it is already. So, I am working on some glue books, some Christmas themed glue books, so I cannot wait for that. So much fun making those. So I just thought I would pop on the camera because I ran into this book on in my bookshelf, and I thought, wow, I better get it out because maybe people are working on Christmas journals and stuff already. So I thought for sure I would pop on the camera with this before I start destroying this book. So this is Under the Tree. It's the Toys and Treats that made Christmas special, 1930 to 1970. It's by Susan Wagner, author of It's a Wonderful Christmas. So this is a dust jacket, but let's get some measurements first before we get into the book. It's about 7.5 and 9.25 tall. And this is the spine here. It's got a beautiful dust jacket, very bright and vibrant. It's got a beautiful picture of a vintage family Christmas morning. This book sells here in the US for $16.95, or it did when it was made, of course. $20.95 in Canada, and then the UK $9.95. So the ISBN number is 978-1-584-79-641-1. So let's take I absolutely adore this picture here of the kids coming down the steps first thing in the morning and seeing all of the gifts under the tree. It's just a beautiful, bright dust jacket. So let's take the dust jacket off, and this is what the book looks like. Isn't that cool though? It's a beautiful vintage yellow with it looks like it was like a satin or velvet ribbon. It's just gorgeous. And then on the back it's the same. So this would make a beautiful Christmas journal cover as well. So let's take a look. It's got beautiful sunflower end paper, or not sunflower, snowflakes, end papers. So I was just looking here, under here, but so Under the Tree. And I love this book and I can't wait to use it. So that's why I wanted to do the video real quick. It does have sewn in signatures, so these easily can be taken out. Oh, I don't have my pick down here, I don't think. I do have a certain pick that I use, but this is my backup. It's a carpet blade, if you've seen in my other videos. This is probably what I think is the easiest way to take the thread that's in the signatures without damaging the paper, because if you use scissors, sorry, I have to get to my scissors. So if you use scissors, you're gonna have to dig into the paper to get those tiny threads out. So I think this is the best way. This is not the best blade. My other blade is upstairs, I apologize. But there is a curved blade that's better, but it's similar to this. You'll have to look in my other videos. I'm sorry. I just don't have that here. So let's go through this book. I love this vintage picture of mom and daughter here with Christmas presents. And they're very, very thick pages. Okay, so this was published in 2007 by Stuart Tabori and Chang, by Susan Wagner. She's the author. So the book is not that old. Well, at 15 or so years old. Excuse me. But what I love about it is all the vintage images in the book. So look at this old bicycle. Here's a little boy sleeping. This is the Roadmaster, which is the bike. Here is the like the product logo. I mean, all of these can be fussy cut out, you know, cut these images out, put them on, you know, a page, or, you know, make whatever. You can just, you know, everyone's creative. You can use them in different ways. I also love how the border is down here on these. I love the cursive font here. This very interesting book also. Then here is dolls. Here is vintage dolls. Look at that. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Here's another advertisement. So this book is just full of this. And I love like the scrapbooking style of this book, how it has like, you know, your background, like scrap paper look, and then here's like torn edges and, you know, different cut styles of pictures. Because I just love the layout also. So this is really cool. Here is some more dolls and the Kewpie doll. Ideal Toys. Look at this advertisement. These are somewhat glossy, but I believe not that glossy. It, you know, it has a little bit of a sheen, but it's a dull. Excuse me, I'm having such a morning with my throat today. So here is some more just beautiful images. And look here, I might close up this one. So like here, this is like a cutout of like an old vintage advertisement here. So it's pretty small on this one, but you could cut out and collage on small items like tags. So I will continue going through this book. It is just full of actually very interesting things. Girls flip over the new mod London look. So does our new Francie, oh, is Barbie's 15-year-old cousin. Okay. So look at those. Isn't that just beautiful? Here's all the pictures of some more dolls, and here's some more Barbies. These are almost like snapshots of, like out of a catalog or a magazine on some of these. But aren't they just beautiful? Paper dolls. Look at this beautiful image of this father and son at Christmas morning. Aww. So here's some boy things. This is Lionel Trains. Again, here's some nice, beautiful yellow background. Here's toys. Look at that. I just love these pictures. Love it. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. Oh, here we go. Here is a, you can see a picture, or not a picture, but a view of the thread in the spine. So how easy this would be to just go under and you pull up, and there you go. That's how easy that is, and you don't damage the page. So I just wanted to show you that. Here's some more. Look at all these board games. And it's kind of reminiscing also to go through this book. It's just really fun. Twister. I remember Cootie. Oh gosh, that I remember a lot of this stuff. It's just fun. I have that. I have this. One of those cardboard lemonade like stands. You know, this is a supermarket one. I remember the ironing board. And the little kitchens, easy bake ovens. Look at these. This is a beautiful page too of vintage toys. Here's a doll crib, doll stroller. again, really thick pages, and they have like a matte type shine to the page, so they're not that glossy. I mean, I've seen a lot glossier pages, but I just love this. Of course, it's not, you know, really glossy because this is made to look like vintage stuff, so yep, just fantastic. Erector set. Love the border stuff here. Oh, look at the look on his face. Oh, Dad, it's a Schwinn. Oh. New toys on the block. Pogo stick. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Oh, look at that. Making an old-fashioned candy Christmas. Wishing the best with Brock's. Oh, that is just so... I love it. Love it, love it. So cute. So there you go. This one was just a little bit longer of a book review, but I thought for sure it was important on this one because I just love Christmas and I love the holiday, and I thought for sure people are probably gathering things for their Christmas journals or December dailies or whatever, but this would be an awesome book to use either way. Cover all the content. It's just super nice. Love it. So I just thought I'd share with you today on that before I started tearing into it. So definitely try to go out and find this book. I believe I got this at a thrift store, so I did not buy this at a bookstore, and I probably only paid $1 or $2 for it. So all right, well, good luck on trying to find this one, but this is a great one. All right, thank you so much for joining me. All right.